Alright guys, so we're at Lynx and we're actually doing week 2 today. Day 1, week 2. I didn't record the third day from week 1, but I'll do that this week. Oh man, my adductors are tight, but we got front squats as our main lift. So we'll see how we do today, man. We are finished. Let's go shower. All right, yo, look who I ran into.
What's going on, guys?
You know I never released that video that we did, right?
I know.
Because you needed to do the voiceover.
I know.
So Yusuf and I, we shot a runner's guide, right, warm up. But we totally botched it. Anyway.
It may have been doomed to begin with. But
yeah, whatever.
We had fun with it.
Yeah, so you're on season 3, so this is your first appearance, man. Where can the people find you? Besides Equinox.
Besides Equinox. Instagram is good. I got a lot of good stuff there at House of El Corchi.
Oh, okay, yeah, look him up, man. Where you headed now?
I'm going home now, back in the afternoon for more sessions, so I gotta get lunch, take a nap.
All that fitness professional jazz. Well, it's good to see you. What are you doing for Cinco de Mayo, man?
I don't know.
I might have a barbecue.
Hey.
So I'm sending out that mass text, so just wait for it. Okay, I'm gonna be like, yo, pull up to the barbecue.
I got my phone on deck. All right,
yeah.
Thanks, buddy.
All right, man. Good to see you too, man. All right, we back at the crib. Gonna have some lunch, and then it's the mastermind call. All right, call is over. Insightful as always. So currently we're working on putting together a networking event for the Fit Pro Development League. And it's coming sometime in June, July. We haven't set a tentative date yet, so stay tuned for more. Yeah, I think this one's going to be awesome and also give us a clear understanding of what the group is in need of, right? So get people to socialize, let their guard down, and yeah, mingle. Anyways, I'm about to go train little mama because she wants to work out. Let's go.
Money got longer, speaker got louder, car got faster. Turned to a savage, pocket got fatter. She gon' be just smoking that gas, all that zombie shit on the powder. Nowadays I am on my head, I got sadder.
All right, peeps. Your favorite character in this storyline is here. Okay, here he is. Hey, sir, what you doing right now, sir? That? Can I have that?
No.
He said,
He said, no.
Can I have my mail, sir? Now he laughing at me. I bet. Anyway, we're about to cook early dinner tonight because little mama got to be on campus.
Yeah.
She got work today. No, not work. She got an event tonight. Be there, be square. Me and baby Papa wreaking havoc as usual. All right, dinner is served. We have another collaboration. Me, Lil Mama, Sunbasket. Is it magic, babe?
Magical.
It's magical. All right, taste test. It's all right. It's all right. All right, dinner is over. We started dinner rather early because Lil Mama had to go back to work for an event. So just gonna be me and Lil Man tonight kicking it. We're gonna just let off some energy, right? Get him tired and then put him to bed. Oh, you dunking now, buddy? You dunking now? Oh, you passing between your legs? You can hoop now? What? All right, man. August is down for the count. Now the real work begins, man. I got like this one project that's been giving me fits. Only because the footage was recorded in 4K and my computer's horsepower isn't ready for that much intense heat just yet. So I gotta find a way to kind of I don't know quite yet. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those frustrating things that's been, I was supposed to deliver this about a week ago, but it's just pissing me off, man. Anyway, I'm gonna figure this thing out tonight. I will not go to sleep until I figure this thing out. All right, just shipped over the draft. Waiting to hear some feedback. All right, see what the client wants. In other words, it's gonna be a pretty late night for your boy. So with that being said, good night, beautiful world. I'll see you in the morning. Peace.